Yo, what's up? This is Jan from Berlin, and yeah, I'm pretty much in the middle of nowhere. Berlin, outside of Berlin, called Brandenburg, the state of Germany, in very far East Germany, and it's very hot. It's more than 38 degrees outside, so it must be more than 105 degrees Fahrenheit. So what's up? Yeah, this is my Dyna lower S 2016, and I just got a new pipe. I got the MCJ pipe, so it's yeah, basically a nice pipe from Italy, and it's it's more racing style compared to my Red Thunder. It was longer, and it was it was a very nice pipe. Red Thunder is awesome, but yeah, now this MCJ pipe is from sound. It's more dump. It's more bass on the sound, and it's just deeper. Yeah, so I like it. And I want to show you guys when I switch it to the quiet mode. I don't know how to say it in English, but you know what I mean, you guys. So now it's open, and I'm gonna turn it. It's gotta be closed. So now it's closed, and yeah, we will see what happens. Check it out.